I would next request to come on dais Sharmistha Dasgupta, Deputy Director General, NIC.
Good morning, everybody. I belong to IT sector, AI, not much into the railway technology, but I would like to find out where we can support each other so that our country can move into the future as Madam D. Thara was asking for. So AI is a discipline that gathers all the aspects that allow an entity to determine how to perform a task and help make a decision based on the experience matured by observing samples or by interacting with an environment, possibly competing against or cooperating with other entities. So basically in railways, this would require that AI should be able to revolutionize how certain railways areas operate, like capacity management, life cycle cost, maintenance, passenger flow prediction, and significantly reduce errors from both humans and computer. High level automation and auto adaptive systems can be facilitated. So basically what AI does, I will just give in short. So it should, in any AI application in the railway domain, should be able to learn from the examples, not being asked to solve a task by a programmer. Don't code it, but learn from examples, possibly operating in an environment populated by other entities, accomplishing a task that would require intelligence if done by a human, and can be both hardware or software based or a hybrid mode. So key technologies that comprises AI are machine learning. One of these machine learning, this area of AI helps to make data predictions and optimize operations. There are many machine learning algorithms. We can have a combination of those algorithms also. So that you can improve your learning exercise, means you learn from different algorithms and you can combine those weak learners to make stronger learners. So we can use this for train routing and scheduling. You have lot of structured data in your systems, so that can be helpful for optimizing train routes and schedules, improving efficiency and reducing congestions. It can help in demand forecasting. AI can predict passenger demand and optimize train deployments to match demand, reducing overcrowding and improving passenger experience at the platforms as well as in the trains. So one part of that machine learning is called deep learning. In deep learning, we have the concept of neurons, like you have neurons in the brains and there are so many layers. So each layer in the deep learning neural network learns one part of the patterns in the data. So machine learning algorithms, usually structured data, you will be having basically some domain expert who will tell you, okay, these are the attributes or the properties which will help you determine this final variables results. Okay, but in deep learning you don't have to do anything. You have to just put all the data into the system. So it works well with unstructured data also, like you can have vision, speech, text, anything can go into the deep learning network. So these computational models are very complex. In machine learning, you can do basically, when you apply machine learning, you can have a functional relationship you can find out. But in deep learning, what happens is when you when it is a complex non-linear relationship, it becomes a bit difficult to find what relationship is there, because there are millions of parameters. And so basically what we try to do is check that every time we give a particular environment to AI, to that in that same ecosystem, it should predict similar type of results. So this is what the AI is based on. And deep learning algorithms are now taking the world by storm. You have seen everything from ChatGPT onwards. So this deep learning can help you generate real-time data, and means real-time patterns, which helps you in energy efficiency. AI can optimize train speeds and acceleration patterns to reduce energy consumption and emission. Real-time traffic management. AI can monitor and adjust train schedules in real time to respond to unexpected disruptions or changes in demand. Autonomous train operations, AI can enable autonomous train operations, improve safety and efficiency, communication and signal control play a vital role in high-speed railways, and AI-enabled communication and signal control capabilities make it possible to increase the speed of trains. So another area, another discipline of AI is computer vision. It helps to analyze images and videos from cameras on trains and rail infrastructure. It can help to optimize complex railway system, detecting infrastructure faults, defects, improve safety and security of urban rail networks. It can help create smart railway platforms. It can optimize passenger flow and reduce congestion on railway platforms, because images, you can do head count, how many people are in which platform, and you can optimize selling of tickets like that. Internet of Things and predictive maintenance is another area where AI algorithms can analyze data from sensors on trains and infrastructure to predict potential failures. So component failure prediction is one of the areas where AI can find subtle anomalies in the sensor data that can indicate impending component failure, allowing maintenance teams to take timely action. Early warning systems, AI can analyze data from sensors to detect obstacles on the track, to detect potential hazards and issue early warnings, making a significant breakthrough in railway technology. Not only IoT, you can have basically cameras also, because you have overhead wire infrastructure. OWS poles are around 50 to 70 meters from each other. So if you have cameras out there, then you can see if anybody is trying to put any objects on the railway track, or somebody is going to commit suicide, something like that. So this can be a real-time way of, without having to manually go and inspect the thing, you can always find out and take precautions in timely manner. So optimize maintenance scheduling. AI can optimize maintenance schedules based on real-time data and predicted failures. Another part of our AI discipline is natural language processing. So basically, whatever human beings communicate with each other, it can be through speech and all that. So natural language processing provides information and assistance to passengers. It can help them in their regional languages, even when a passenger is traveling across the country. So it can help incident detection and response, because many people tell on the social media so many things, and so if you check those, you can identify patterns and improve response time to many incidents. Real-time information, AI can provide passengers with real-time information about train schedules, delays, and platform locations, resulting platform relocations, resulting in improved passenger experience. Personalized services, AI can personalize services based on passenger needs. So basically, AI can help in all part of high-speed railways, like complex subsystems like train components, railroad tracks, electric power systems, all which require delicate design and research. So AI is a very good analytical tool, and it can help people simulate and get the jobs done. So passenger scheduling is also a very important area in transport management. So AI can help in predicting origin destination passenger flows at different times of the day, and help reroute the traffics. One important factor is data security and privacy. This becomes dual challenge when applying AI in high speed railways, with a large amount of sensitive data being collected and analyzed, including passenger information, operational data, and maintenance record. Leakage or unauthorized access to this data can lead to serious privacy violations and security risks. To address these challenges, it is not only necessary to strengthen data encryption algorithm technologies, but to implement strict data access controls and continuously monitor data flows, because many times by using the passengers also they can create data drifts in models by poison attacks. Basically, if if somebody is trying to manipulate your system, they can do it. So these type of anytime you see that your models are behaving, your feedback mechanism and the model has changed quite a lot from your previous data, previous how the model was performing. So this is a time when you should scrutinize. So why is the model, what are the false positive rate, negative rate, whatever, means all the matrices are in order and how it has changed. AI algorithm also might get this bias, which may impact high-speed railways. I told you it can, means if we neglect, means if we get data from some areas of the railways more for operational efficiency and some routes which have got less traffic, you might, means that frequency of maintenance and optimization may be neglected. There can be certain safety hazards which come in, such as insufficient recognition of specific types of failure modes. Means whatever you are not utilizing might be creating errors, so you have to check all those. We can also increase, bias can lead to misjudgment of certain maintenance need or an unfair allocation of operational efficiencies. AI is also used to optimize fares and planned routes. However, if we can, here also bias can creep in, and what happens is some areas you might be having high fares or inconvenient routes because of certain areas or populations being treated unfairly. So these are the things which need to be taken into account while improving your AI in HSR systems. These relationships between technological efficiency and social equity should be weighted, and to ensure that the universality and fairness of services is maintained. And all in all, what I wanted to say is National AI Mission has come up, and many of your neural networks, means deep learning algorithms, require huge amount of GPUs, and they are at present having 14,000 GPUs, and they are giving it so to startups, to academia, to state and central government agencies. So if anybody, and every 15 days they are taking out that, means whoever wants to, they have to tell their proposal what they want. They want it for social, means governance delivery platform, or they want to create, some startups might be creating some foundational AI models or something like that. So if you all are planning, so it would be fruitful that you all can get in touch with National AI Mission and get going. This is most important because there are only 14,000 GPUs at present. Thank you.